Good evening, everybody. Again, just a little quick update. Couple things that came in. I went ahead and capped off the PVC system and went to a dual breather catch can. I do have the other chrome breather for this side, but for now, with the 302 running this the Holley intake, I can only fit an elbow right here. So, but anyway, both valve covers are vented directly to this catch can and breather. So I got that off of Summit. So I did have to get an elbow here, and then I got a little plastic elbow here from Ace Hardware and mounted that right there. So it's real easy. It's got a drain on the bottom. So you'd see the kit on Summit. It's like $100. It comes with everything. And then I went ahead and got these are Summit branded also, but just their regular. I guess they're supposed to be powder coated valve covers, and not necessarily. I had to modify them a little bit. They do have baffles in both sides, but for whatever reason, this side with the breather, the baffle fit just fine. And then the other side here, the baffle was a different size, so it was hitting the top of the rocker stud. So anyway, I had to take the baffle out of this side to get it to sit down correctly. So anyway, I don't know why one side would fit and the other one wouldn't, other than, again, two different baffles, one for a breather, one for PCV valve. But anyway, these are little $30 valve covers. They're just a stamped steel, but they have baffles, and figured they would work for this little project. And again, when this goes on the 347 over there with this Trick Flow Box R intake, we won't have any problem with putting the chrome filtered breather on there versus this little elbow that I got from Lowe's. But anyway, we're going to run that. That should let the engine breathe a lot better. And also, I did get the tuner. My tuner got back to me. You know, he lives in Louisiana, so he's been bogged down with getting his shop back up and running and everything from the hurricane. But he did get back to me and sent me the full Nitrous tune, so we can go test 150 shot on a full pass, which I kind of want to do with this, but at the same time, I'm just about ready to. 347 is about ready to go. The updates on this, which I can show you guys, that we've done here, is went ahead and got the Moroso drag race oil pan, 7-quart capacity. I got the matching Moroso windage tray, and then here's the Moroso dipstick is in here. So that's all set to go. I obviously got the timing cover on, got the timing pointer, which I verified timing with my dial bore gauge across here with the piston stop, and just went around each way with the balancer, split the difference, and it came out to within 1 degree of where the timing pointer's at. So I want to call that good. I'm not going to spend the money on one of those billet adjustable ones for 1 degree of timing. I think we can make it work. And then this is my the PRW. This is the lightweight balancer. I still forgot the last time I ordered from Summit. I got to get the little spacer here. Forgot to do that. But anyway, coming together. We're just got the bottom end buttoned up and got the timing cover on. So we're just can't decide when I want to pull this 302 out. If I want to go to the track one more time and try to, run it with some nitrous and see how the catch can works, which obviously this breather is a full 3-inch breather there, and much more overflow or puke tank capacity if we do spit out some oil, but that should let the engine breathe just fine, and hopefully we won't have any issues at the track. But anyway, that's the update. We'll be testing Nitrous here real soon. And again, just went to the full breather system on both valve covers and blocked off the PCV. Alright guys, have a good night.